What's up? What's going on, guys? I'm going to be doing a buzz test on my F250 today. The BFFX diagnostic interface, this one here, paired up with the Garage Pro, was a good deal. No issues out of the box, worked right away. So I'm going to show you real quick how I do it. Put your key in ignition, turn your ignition on, put your interface in. You'll get a red light showing you it has power. Okay, find your app. The app ran me $8.99 and the actual interface ran me $24.99. There's cheaper ones out there, but I wouldn't recommend it because they're a pain in the ass and it didn't work for me. So if you want to save some time, go with this setup here. You won't have any issues. You're going to hit connect. Enable your Bluetooth. Go to Ford. Powertrain 1. No scan. It's waiting to connect. Let it do its thing. It takes a few seconds here. Okay, it says connected. We're ready to go. You're going to want to go to your diagnostics. You're going to want to go to self-test. Key off, engine off. KOEO stands for key off, engine off. Buzz test. You're going to hit it. You're going to wait a few seconds. Okay, the test is over. There you go. System pass. So everything is good. And it's easy as that. If you enjoyed the video, leave any comments, any questions, leave them down below. I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching.